Hi friends, Miss Janet from the Stouffville Library, and I have a craft idea for you. Today I thought we could make craft stick scarecrows or popsicle sticks, whatever you call them. So you're going to need 7 craft sticks or popsicle sticks. So here we have 7. And what you're going to do is get a piece of cardstock or Bristol board, something like that, and you're going to glue your craft sticks together in a row so that they're right up against each other, and that will give you a nice base for your scarecrow. So just glue those together, and then, so you're going to need your craft sticks, 7 of those, some cardstock or Bristol board, some glue for that part. So you're going to glue 7 right together on that cardstock. Cut your cardstock so that it's just the size of those 7 sticks. And then you need to get some felt, whatever colors you want. So you want to cut out some hair. So I've used orange for my hair. And then you're going to cut out a hat shape to put on top of his hair. And then you're going to need googly eyes, and then you're going to need a marker to put some kind of a mouth. So a happy face. You could use a crayon, a marker, whatever. So cut out. I used 6 rectangles for his hair. So there's slightly different sizes. So cut out his hair, glue on his hair, cut out a hat shape. Maybe you put a little, another different color on his hat just to give it some different colors and add some interest. Put on his googly eyes, put on his mouth, and there you have your scarecrow. So again, if you have those strips of magnets, a magnetic strip, you could put a magnet on there, you could put them on your fridge, or you could glue on some string and you could hang him somewhere, or you can just prop him. So here I've got my my bottle of glue, and he can just be propped up against there. So whatever you have to put him up, hang him up with string, or put him on your fridge with a magnet, or just put him somewhere and lean him against something. There you have a decoration for fall, a scarecrow, because fall is coming quickly and we can start to decorate. So there is a scarecrow for your fall decorations. I hope you have fun, that you will create one and use some wild colors, maybe for his hat, or give him even more interesting colored hair. So you make a scarecrow sometime soon. Just need your craft sticks, your googly eyes, some felt, some glue, and you're set. So have fun making your scarecrow, and I will be back again soon with another idea. Bye for now.